in today's video, we're going to tackle an issue that some Mercedes-Benz owners face, the dreaded black screen on the command system or MBUX screen. If your screen went black and you can't get it back on, don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it in just a few simple steps. First, let's try a soft reset. This often fixes the black screen issue by restarting the system. To perform a soft reset, press and hold the power button, the round button on the command controller, or the home button on the touch screen depending on your model, for about 10 to 15 seconds. After holding the button for about 10 seconds, the system should reboot and your screen may come back to life. This is the simplest solution and works for most models. If the screen is still black after the reset, it could be due to a blown fuse. A fuse related to the command system or MBUX may have malfunctioned, causing the screen to turn off. To check the fuse, you'll need to locate the fuse box. On most Mercedes models, the fuse box can be found either in the driver's side footwell or the engine compartment. If you're not sure where it is, consult your owner's manual. Once you've found the fuse box, look for the fuse related to the infotainment system or command system. The specific number and location should be listed in your manual. If the fuse looks blown, replace it with a new one of the same rating. If neither of the previous steps work, it might be time for a hard reset. This can help clear up any more complex software glitches. To do a hard reset on newer Mercedes models, press and hold both the volume knob and the home button at the same time for 20 to 30 seconds. After holding the buttons down, your system should reboot and the screen should come back on. This can often resolve more serious software issues. Now, if all else fails, it might be time to take your vehicle to an authorized Mercedes-Benz dealer or a certified technician. And that's how you can fix a black screen on your Mercedes-Benz command system or MBUX screen.